In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gmail filters and labels. By the end, you'll know how to set up labels to visually organize your inbox and create filters that automatically sort incoming mail so you spend less time triaging and more time doing real work. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser and signing in. We'll begin with labels, which are like folders but more flexible because you can add multiple labels to a single email. In the left sidebar, find the Labels section. Click the plus icon to create a new label, or open the More menu and choose Create New Label. Give it a clear, memorable name so you instantly recognize what belongs there. Next, make your labels easier to spot. Hover over a label name and click the three dots to open its menu. Then choose a label color. Consistent colors help at a glance. For example, one color for work, another for personal. Pick something with good contrast so it stands out in a busy inbox. If you want a tidy hierarchy, create sub-labels. When making a new label, check the nest label under box and pick the parent. For instance, you might place expenses under work. This creates a collapsible structure that keeps long label lists manageable. Now let's automate with filters. Filters are rules that tell Gmail what to do with new messages based on things like the sender, the subject, or words in the body. To build one, click the Show Search Options icon, the little sliders on the right side of the search bar. In the window that appears, define your conditions. You could put a specific sender in the From field, or add a keyword like invoice in has the words. Be precise so you don't accidentally catch unrelated emails. When your criteria look right, click Create Filter. You'll now choose what happens when a message matches. You can apply a label to tag it automatically, which keeps related messages grouped without any manual work. You can skip the inbox, also called archiving, so it goes straight to its label and doesn't clutter your main view. And if it's truly unwanted and repetitive, you can delete it automatically. Use delete carefully so you don't miss something important. You can also combine actions, like applying a label and skipping the inbox at the same time. Here's a quick shortcut. Open a specific email, click the three vertical dots at the top right, and choose filter messages like these. Gmail will pre-fill details for you, then follow the same steps to pick your label and actions. That's it. Labels to organize, filters to automate. If the video has been helpful and want more tips, please subscribe to the channel. It's free.